The 160A Dual Voltage Welder is a versatile 3-in-1 machine, offering flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities, ideal for handling mild and stainless steel up to 8 millimeters thick. This welder's dual voltage feature allows it to be used anywhere, from a home garage to an outdoor job site, making it perfect for a variety of projects including DIY, automotive, and farm repairs. Equipped with smart IGBT control, this welding machine automatically adjusts the current for smoother and cleaner welds, minimizing errors and ensuring an effortless operation for both beginners and professionals. Weighing less than 13 pounds and featuring a convenient handle and shoulder strap, the welder is highly portable, making it easy to transport to any location for on-the-go welding tasks. Built with advanced safety features, the welder includes protection against overload, overcurrent, overheating, and voltage spikes, ensuring reliable performance during extended use. The complete kit comes with everything needed to start welding immediately, including a MIG torch, ground clamp, electrode holder, flux core wire, electrodes, contact tips, nozzles, and more, providing excellent value for any welding enthusiast.